welcome back to another video. Today we have not just one, but we have two advent calendars that we are going to be adding to this advent calendar unboxing series. I'm really excited to open these with you. We're going to do the same process as the last two videos, where I'm going to do the unboxing portion first, and then I will try the products on at the end of the video. So I'll have it time stamped in the description area if you guys want to fast forward to the trying of products, or if you guys just want to see the unboxing, that is going to be also time-stamped below. Let's go ahead and take an up-close and personal look at these two Ulta advent calendars. This first one is the 12 Days of Bath. It is so pretty. To me, it kind of looks like a gingerbread house, even though I know it's not. The second one is like a little miniature version of it. It's like a little mini house. This one is so cute. Originally, I was just going to get the big one, and then I saw this right next to it, and I'm like, these just look like they go together. Like, how cute does that look together? We have a 12 Days of Beauty and a 12 Days of Bath. This one we just kind of like break open. It has all the boxes. The boxes look like a decent size. So we're gonna do the bath one first. We're gonna open it up and we're gonna go for number one on the top right here. I'm curious. Okay. Ooh. It looks like it's a little purple loofah sponge is what was behind box number one for the bath calendar. It's not the best quality. It does look a little sad, like quality wise. It's really like not fluffy, but so now let's get box number two, see what it is. It's also purple. I'm going on theme, matching the box. Ooh, a little shower cap. I mean, I actually did need another shower cap, so this one looks like pretty good quality and it fits my head because I have a big head. So number three. Okay, this is like a little tin can. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it says winter vanilla candle. That's actually really nice. I love candles. This smells like a vanilla cupcake, I would say. Definitely will be using this. Number four. Ooh, and this one has like a bunch of little like fun stuff. It reminds me of Easter, like what goes in the Easter basket. Okay, so this one looks like it is a polar berry scented lip balm. And it's actually like a pretty decent size. Okay. And actually, it actually smells really nice. Okay, number five. This looks like maybe another lip balm. It says polar berry scented lip scrub. Actually, this is kind of cute. I love the purple. I actually like the way the lip scrub smells better than a lip balm. I feel like it has like more of a like citrusy type berry smell to it. So number six. Okay, what is this? A Dreamy Snow scented body wash, and it's actually a really pretty purple color. It smells like marshmallows to me. I don't know why. It's not bad. Number seven, right here. These boxes are actually really nice. Now we have the lotion. This is the Dream Snow scented lotion. I'm curious, you guys, because I'm so picky with lotion texture. So we're actually gonna just try this really quick. At first I was liking the way that it applied, but as it dried down, it has that like kind of a greasy overlay feel to the lotion. So I don't personally like it. I also live in a desert, guys, so I'm really picky with the moisturizers that I use. I use a lot of oil-based moisturizers and not so much cream-based because of that. Now number eight. A Dreamy Snow scented hand cream. Okay, let's try the hand cream. Put it right here. Okay. The hand cream, I like the way that the hand cream feels better than the actual body lotion. Okay, now number nine. Let's see here. This one is a winter vanilla scented foot cream. Winter vanilla. Okay, so I liked the way that the scent smelled in the candle, but not so much on the foot cream. So number 10, what is this? looks like, oh, it's a little silk scrunchie. I love that it's purple. These are supposed to be really good for your hair. Number 11, or what this is. Oh, I thought it was like another like mask or something. This is actually winter vanilla scented bath confetti. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's actually like a bunch of cute little stars, and they're like light green and like a darker green color. This is actually something I've never used before. I don't know if it's just supposed to make your bath pretty, but we will try it soon. Last one for this box is number 12. I think this is, yes, this is a polar berry, and I do really like the scent, the polar berry scented bath bomb. It's like a really cute snowflake. So this is everything we got in the bath box. What I like most about this box is the candle, the hair cap, the lip scrub, and the bath bomb. Now we can go ahead and go on to the Ulta 12 Days of Beauty. Again, we're gonna open her up right here. Ooh, okay, so it just pulls out like that. Cream eye crayon in the shade Ethereal. Number 2, Ulta Beauty blush in the shade Paradise. Number 3, Ulta Beauty brow gel. Number 4, this looks pretty. This is an Ulta Beauty lip gloss. Look at that shade. Number 5, this is a gel eyeliner. It doesn't have a shade name, but it just looks like the shade black. Okay, number 6, ooh, a matte lip cream in the shade Garden Party. Number 7, this is an Ulta Beauty lipstick. It says it's shade in Blossom. Ooh, that's a really pretty shade. I'm excited to try that one. Number 8, Ulta Beauty highlighter in the shade Crown. Number 9, it looks like we have a lip mask, and this is a vanilla scented one. Okay, number 10, we have an eyeshadow primer. I've actually never used the Ulta primers for shadows. Number 11, ooh, looks like we have like a little cute miniature beauty blender. I like that. And last but not least, number 12. I hope this is a good one. Okay, so this looks like a little miniature eyeshadow palette. It's called Forever Charmed. And this is what it looks like. It's actually really pretty colors. Okay, so now that we've unboxed everything, let's go ahead and play around with some of this makeup. I actually just got this makeup remover the other day. This is the Lancome one. If you guys watched that video, if not, I'll have it linked down below. I'm trying so hard not to take like the eyebrow and mascara off since it didn't come with those two products. Okay, first I'm gonna go in with the lip mask. I'm just gonna like put it, ooh, comes out with a really pretty little like applicator. Oh, and it comes out pink. I'm just gonna put this on just to hydrate my lips while we do my eye makeup. This feels really nice. Much better feeling than the lip balm from the Bath Advent Calendar. So while we let this sit, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the eyeshadow primer. Go ahead and squeeze some of this out. I feel like it's not coming out, and it's coming out really slow. And I also feel like I used up most of the product right now. Like, I feel like I have maybe like 1.5, 2 squeezes left in here. This is all that came out. Let's see how this performs. And we're gonna actually put this primer on this eye. Okay, it does have like a nice tacky feeling to it, which is a good sign because we want the primer to really get the shadow to stick. So the tackier, the better. I'm still just like a little disappointed on the amount of product that they gave me. We're gonna go ahead and work on this eye. And I'm gonna use the cream eyeshadow crayon. Swatch this first. Wait, okay. I'm like, does it have a little color? The crayon feels a little rough on my skin, but let's see. Okay. Seems a little bit like a red flag. Hopefully I don't like break out with a reaction. I really hope these products are not expired. I bought them this year at Ulta, and I know that that packaging is new packaging. I just hope that they didn't give like old products that never sold from the years before and then just repackage them. I really hope that's not the case, but just feeling these last two products, it makes me wonder. So now we're gonna go in with the Forever Charmed little palette, swatch them. Okay. And then this is the next one. Okay. And then this one, I'll put it right here. These are very like iridescent, almost translucent like on my skin tone. Let's try to make this work and try to make some type of an eye look. So I think I'm gonna go in with this white shade, and I'm gonna do this on like the inner corner of my eye. Hopefully the primer helps make these colors pop for me. Okay, let's go in with this like matte brown one and put that in. I do think that this primer is actually helping. So I'm gonna go in with this shade now. I'm gonna put that right on my lid. I'm gonna go in with this like gray shade and try to like wing out maybe like a little bit of a liner. I mean, the color is popping up on my brush. It's just not popping up on my skin the way that I would want it to. What do you guys think? Let's try to like darken the eye with the gel liner. Let's do a swatch of this, kind of warm up the liner also. Okay, it did take a minute to get going, but let's go ahead and it's really hard to work with. Not a fan. Hopefully the blush has some pigmentation. We'll put the blush like right here. Or like right here. Okay. Okay, now the highlighter. I'm gonna put that right here. Okay, highlighter is nice. Highlighter definitely works. We like the highlighter. Brow gel. I mean, it's nice. Now that we let the lip mask really sit, we are gonna try the lip shades. The first shade is the actual lipstick, and it's the color in Bloom. We're putting this on. I actually like this color, and the formula feels nice. Let's wipe this off. And let's swatch the lip gloss. Put it right here. Okay. Looks like it does have like some sparkles to it, and I love that. I love sparkles. So this one's actually really pretty. Last but not least, we have the matte lip cream in the shade Garden Party, and we'll put that right here. Okay, it's very much a nude color. For being a matte shade, it's actually extremely hydrating. I think that this is the most hydrating out of the three lip products that we tried. Comment down below which one of the three was your favorite lip color. Will I be repurchasing the 12 Days of Beauty or the 12 Days of Bath for next year, 2024 Advent Calendar unboxing? For me, it will be a no. On that note, guys, I love you, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!